You see, normally on WhatsApp, you can't send a large size of a video or a file to somebody. If the video or the file is more than 32 megabytes, it will be trimmed just like this. So you can see if the video is long or the video is large, you cannot send all the video. But there's a trick you can use to send a larger file to someone. Before I continue to show you how you can do that, I want you to like this video for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Share the video for others to benefit. If you are also new here, don't forget to subscribe. In order not to waste much time, let's get into it. So first of all, you are going to launch your WhatsApp. After launching your WhatsApp, then you search for the number you want to send the large video or file. So then what I want you to do is to click here. When you click here, this time around, you are not going to go to your gallery. You click on document. We have document here. Why? Because you want to send a larger file or a larger video. So when you click on the document, then now you are going to now choose from your gallery, or you search for the video or the file. Yes. So I'm going to choose from my gallery. That is where my large video is. Then I search for the large video. So I have a large video here. So I click on it. Then you just click on the send button. So we have it here. You click on it. So you see, then you now send. When you send, it will be sent as a file. So you can see it is loading. The large video I sent is loading. It's about 12 minutes. So you wait for it to load. Yeah, so basically this is how you can send a larger file or a larger video. If you find this video interesting, I want you to smash the subscribe button to become part of this YouTube family for free. Ring the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video like this, you'll be notified instantly. I want you to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video.